Hello and welcome to eToll-Free. On this video, I will walk you through how to set up the agent-specific caller ID. Please check out our videos on different CID setup. In edialer, you can set up the caller ID to be agent-specific, which means it's possible for each agent to have their own phone number on every lead they call out. Let's get started. First, log into your edialer administration dashboard. Then, go to Admin menu. Now go to Phones and click Show Phones. Then, click Modify to the phone extension that you want to add the caller ID. Next, add the 10-digit phone number on the fourth field that says Outbound CallerID. Then, scroll at the bottom of the page to save changes. Just by adding the 10-digit number in the phone extension's Outbound CallerID field, this will override the caller ID automatically. If the agent has manual dial capability, and you want to set the agent's own CID, go to Campaigns. Then, Campaigns Main. Click Modify. Under Additional Dial Settings, look for the field Manual Dial CID. Then choose Agent Phone on the drop-down box and click Save Changes. For three-way transfers, agents can have an option which CID to show to the third party or transfer number they want to connect to. To set this up, still within the campaign settings, go to Additional Transfer Options Settings. Then, look for Three-Way Call Outbound Caller ID. Under the drop-down options, choose the best one that will fit the settings you prefer. You can click the circle with a question mark next to the field for a full definition of each option. Then, click Save Changes. For any other edialer concerns, feel free to go to our website, www.etollfree.net, and click the chat support icon, located at the bottom right of the web page. Our friendly eToll-Free customer support representatives are ready to help from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and on Saturdays from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. If you need to send a ticket after office hours, not a problem. Email us at support@etollfree.net, and someone from eToll-Free support will reach out to you as soon as possible.